And now let's head up to replace the SIM card. You will need a SIM card extraction card tool, and of course the SIM card itself. It is a nano SIM card. That means it's the smallest version of a SIM card in a smartphone. But this is state of the art now. Every bigger brand has nano SIM cards. You can grab now your smartphone, and here you can see on the left side you see volume up, volume down. On the right side you can see the power button. We have to look at the right side of the phone. Here, there is a SIM card tray, and there is a hole, a little hole. In this, you can connect the SIM card extraction tool and press a little bit on it. Then, if you press, the tray of the SIM card tray will come out a little bit. It is a half centimeter, I think, but this is the unlock action. Only get this needle inside the hole and press a little bit. This is enough pressure to get the tray out of the host connection. Then, the only way you have to remove the tray is pull the entire tray out of your smartphone, out of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Let's make a little bit more light in it, and there it comes. Here we are. This is the SIM tray. Okay, the SIM tray has four edges, of course, but one edge is different like the others. On this, you have to focus. The same thing, the same shape of this tray inlet you have on the nano SIM card. Yeah, here we are. Now you can connect the SIM card into the tray. Here we are. Good job. Now let's get back the SIM card plus the SIM card tray and move it back in position into your smartphone, into the iPhone 11 Pro. Give it a little bit push, and then it locked immediately. Here we are. Now the SIM card is connected to the iPhone. Yeah! Let's start the iPhone now. You can replace the SIM also while your iPhone is running. This is no problem. But you have to enter the SIM card pin after replacing the SIM card. Okay? If you did this, you will back in business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon. Nice camera.